This is my video number 5 and again the same exercise 1.1. This time it is question number 2. It's very easy, the additive inverse. Now since we know that the additive inverse of anything, this means we have to change the sign. If it is 2 by 8, the additive inverse of 2 by 8 will be what? Minus 2 by 8. 2 by 8. And the additive inverse of this will be what? Minus of this thing. I'm not writing the answer directly, but the additive inverse of something means we have to put minus in front of that number. The additive inverse of this number will be what? Minus and then this number. So it will be what? Minus minus plus. So it will be 5 by 9. Now the third part, and I have to find out the additive inverse of this number. First, since these both contain minus, let's just solve this. We first write them in a standard form. For this, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by minus 1. It will give you what? 6 upon 5. Now, the additive inverse of 6 upon 5 is minus 6 upon 5. Remember, I am giving you a note here. The additive inverse of any number, let's take x, is minus x. So if you want to use the additive inverse of minus x, so we have to use minus and then minus x. It will give you plus x. This will be very helpful in my next question that I am going to take it. This question number 3 is a very important one. It is given to verify this minus x is equals to x, where the first part is x is equals to 11 by 15. Now we know that the additive inverse, just now we have studied the additive inverse of x is equals to x is equals to 11 by 15 is minus x, that will be minus 11 by 15. And when we know that when we add these two things, means when an additive inverse of any number is added with that number, the result is always 0. That is, if you add x plus minus x, it will be 0. That is 15 plus minus 11 by 15 so 0. Now look at this thing. The additive inverse of this is this, but here from this point, this shows that the additive inverse of this is also this. Fine. This shows that this implies that the additive, according to this equation, I'm talking about this one, the additive inverse of, देखो इससे मालूम पड़ा कि इसका इन्वर्स तो ये है, पर इसका भी तो यही होगा क्योंकि ये भी तो इसको 0 दे रहा है. सो द एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ minus 11 by 15 इज़ गिवन बाय. अभी इसके पहले मैंने आपको बताया था किसी का भी एडिटिव इन्वर्स निकालना है तो आप उसके पीछे क्या लगा दीजिए? माइनस लगा दीजिए. सो द एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ दिस इज minus 11 by 15, and this is what actually 11 upon 15. Now look at this. That is minus x is equals to this thing. Okay, now let me again explain you this topic once again. See, the question is this, I have to verify this thing. Let's take the additive inverse of that number which is given to us. This is 11 by 15. The additive inverse of this will be minus this thing. We know that कि सिर्फ सिंपली उसे माइनस लगा देना पड़ता है. और ये भी मुझे मालूम है कि अगर हम दो एडिटिव इन्वर्स को आपस में ऐड करते हैं तो उसका आंसर हमेशा ज़ीरो होता है, यानी कि ये होगा. इसका एडिटिव इन्वर्स ये है. बस इसी इक्वेशन को ध्यान से देखें हम. अगर हम इसे कंसिडर करते हैं तो इसमें ये ऐड हो रहा है तो वो भी आंसर ज़ीरो आ रहा है. इसका मतलब इसका एडिटिव इन्वर्स क्या होगा, ये होगा. इट मीन्स दैट कि अगर हम इसका एडिटिव इन्वर्स निकालें तो क्या माइनस आएगा, तो क्या आना चाहिए, यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. अब इधर देखिए आप, आई हैव टेकन, अब इसको देखिए आप, लुक एट दिस पार्ट, ये ओके ये है माइनस, उस पर लगा तो मुझे क्या मिला, एक्स मिला. तो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट है ना, वी हैव कम टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स. थैंक यू. Now question number 4, this is a very easy one. The multiplicative inverse of minus 13. Multiplicative inverse is just the word, it's another word for reciprocal. Reciprocal हम लोग जानते हैं, हम लोग उसको क्या करते हैं, we just interchange it, invert कर देते हैं. Means this 13 upon 13 is what, is equals to this 13 minus 13 upon 1, sorry. It will be written as 1 upon minus 13, or we can write like this. So this is the additive inverse of minus 13. Similarly here, this also we can write like this. See, minus is always put in the numerator, so we will not change the position of minus, but simply the numbers will be changed. Thank you.